The MD of MyLab Discovery Solutions, Hasmukh Rawal, is now joining us. Thank you for your time. Congratulations. The Indian Council of Medical Research has finally given an approval. This approval in fact came through earlier also. But just to tell us, how will this testing kit really work?
Hi, thank you for the opportunity. The Coviself test kit is made very simple, where even a layman, even a farmer at the comfort of his home will be able to perform the test on himself or children below age 18, and will be able to report themselves to the government portal. So as and when the emergency is needed, they will have the test reports handy with them in case of emergency.
But there's a question mark on the availability of these test kits. How is it going to be available? When is it going to be in the market? And most importantly, how much is it going to cost?
So definitely we have learned our lesson as well. We have been first company to receive approval for RT-PCR test. We have been first to launch antigen test, which is point of care, and we have launched many products. We could know that the demand surges exponentially. This time we have made very sure that we are building the capacities all over last 1 year. We have been working on this product for last 5 to 6 months, and we are going to produce 70 lakh tests per week from coming week, and we are preparing to double the production capacity in next 15 days.
And which are the other companies that will be manufacturing this testing kit? Is it just going to be you?
Right now, MyLab's Coviself product is only approved product. It qualifies the criteria for home-based testing. The importance is making it simpler. It has to be able to contain the virus, as well as should not have any biohazard issue. It should be very easy to perform. It should have software connectivity to upload and get the reports. So there are many features of this. The companies which will qualify along with the criteria of accuracy will be able to perform use such solution.
So what you're telling us is that in just a few days from now we will find these testing kits. So they will be available in a medical shop like any other medical product?
Yes, it will be available over the counter pharmacies, as well as it will be also available through our online pharmacy distribution chain.
What is going to be the cost of this testing kit, and just tell us how is it going to be used, sir?
So the testing kit will be charged around 250, cost around 250 rupees, including all taxes, to all the users. It would come in a pack of 1 test per user, and the user can take as per their comfort. It will only have 3 testing components. One is a swab, which is we call safe swab. Instead of the whole deep nasopharyngeal swab, which you need in current healthcare workers or hospitals for RT-PCR or point of care test, you just need to take a nasal swab, which is around 2 to 4 centimeter inside your nostril, and taking 5 rotation of swab in each of your nostrils. So it is very easy to take it. Anybody can do it at their comfort without much discomfort around it. It will have a tube in which you have to dip the swab, mix it and break it, so that the swab contains inside the lysis buffer any harmful pathogen apart from COVID. So if any present, it will be lysed by the solution inside the tube, which again converts into dropper, and there is a card on which you add the drops and record your result along with the mobile app. We also give a biohazard bag in which you can keep the contents and throw it as per the local time.
So what you're saying is that if I feel that I'm a patient of COVID, I can do it myself. There is no requirement for a second person to do it for me, essentially.
Sure, you will be able to do it yourself. It is that easy.
If I'm doing it myself, there is a possibility that I may not be able to do it right, and then there is a risk of me going uncounted, being missed as a COVID-19 patient. You do realize that there could be a problem on that front, isn't it?
Definitely. That is why reading the instruction well before you start the practice is very, very important. What we are doing is we are giving a IFU in multiple languages. In English and Hindi it will be available with the kit in hard copy. In soft copies with different languages you will be able to download. We have demonstration videos. Each step very precisely done would be available at through multiple mediums. There will be trainings which a pharmacist can give when you are procuring the kit from the pharmacist. So yes, you will have to go through the steps. Now what we have done is we have made it very easy, very simple, very safe, but still you will have to follow the procedure. Even on the app there is a walk-through process where you will be able to go through each process very clearly, very visibly, there are clear processes, and then
Okay.
able to do it.
How
That's
big
why
in-
we are making it very simple.
Right. How big an innovation do you see this is, given the fact that right now testing is a big challenge in the country? Even if you're booking for tests for home collection of samples, there is a problem on that front logistically. Also, going to a lab is out of question for many people for these tests.
So beauty is in simplicity. What we believe at MyLab is, if anything is very important but complex, we have to make it simple for the masses. And that's what we have been doing for the years. And if you see this is also done very simple. The test will be available at any local pharmacy store. You can just take it. You don't need to go and expose yourself. You don't need to give the burden on the current healthcare capacities. They can focus more and more on therapy approach or the treatment approach.
Okay.
So the burden on the healthcare will also be reduced when you
All
do
right.
it yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Roberts, for connecting with us. Thank you, sir.